find that very humbling, to be recognized by your peers. It's almost, it's very surprising to me when that actually happens. It's unexpected, and yet it gives me a lot of pleasure and joy to know that I have been recognized by other people, and particularly my peers. I was really lucky because my father was a doctor, and I always thought I was very similar to my father. He included me on some Saturday, morning rounds and sometimes at night when he would have to go back to the hospital. And I always saw how he related with patients, so I had a wonderful role model. The characteristics of a clinician fall into two main categories: clinical skills and then personal or emotional skills. When I think about the clinical skills, I'm thinking about a person that's a scholar, that keeps up with the medical literature, that is a lifelong learner, that gets a lot of pleasure from keeping up with the literature. I'm thinking about a physician that's a patient advocate. I think it takes really good communication skills. I think it's a person that's able to listen well and then be able to talk to the patient, the family, and the referring physician in terms that they understand. From the standpoint of emotional and personal skills, probably empathy and compassion come to mind. I think it's important to have confidence but show humility. It gives me a great pleasure to be a symbol for maybe other physicians that are working in the trenches that have the opportunity to feel some of the pleasure and the fulfillment that I have had from working with patients.